this lineup. Right, Jimmy? Just forgetting this guy. Oh, here he is. You even know what you're doing, bud? Oh. You're probably gonna want to remove that for that.
No, it'll clear. It'll clear.
Not gonna work.
It'll clear. That goes there, and then it loops around it.
No,
Look at the line.
Oh yeah? You think you know what you're talking about?
About stuff.
That's a pretty slick little factory pickup point.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad for this crooked ass motor. What's your bet on how long this baby's gonna last?
Hopefully for a very, very long time.
So like 6 laps?
10 laps maybe?
That's a lot. I feel pretty good about that. You want some help there, bud?
Yeah. Sure, can you give me a hand?
I mean, I could. Well, I mean, good thing this transmission mount's brand new.
Well, I got another one. Don't worry about that.
Oh, yeah. Dude, what's under it? Nope, nothing. Oh, the clutch. That's what it's pissed off about. Brand new clutches.
Yeah.
We're gonna need both hands on this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're like getting bound up by the dowel pin. See if this bolt will suck it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get this side. Aren't you glad I wandered over here?
I am. I'd still be struggling.
Oh yeah.
Happy as a clam.
You didn't seize that input shaft this time, did you?
Not this time. It's a M3 clutch for a M3 transmission.
Story checks out. Fire away. Jimmy's making me make brake lines.
Do it.
Prove it.
Finish that.
Look at this pile of crap. These brake lines come in a small box all bent into a tiny little thing. Unbend them, but don't unbend the wrong bends, right? That's where we're at with this thing. And so there's a few things going on. The rear disc brake conversion that we did earlier also needs a new line position because the factory line used to come all the way over into the drum. This guy used to sit right here. Go from that T over down the axle and into the drum. However, now we have a new pickup point. So we're gonna have to shorten that line. Come right up here to this little factory clip, shorten it right to here. This hose goes there to there. All right, beautiful, wonderful. So now I gotta shorten this line up. So I'm gonna show you how to cut and flare a line. Brake line, right? You know how? I don't know.
I've seen it done.
I've seen it done
I also
too.
know that those hoses ain't loyal.
He is not loyal. All right, I hear your jokes. They're hysterical. Yeah, so today, I'm gonna show you how to make a brake line. Or how to shorten one, I should say. This one's already kind of made. So I'm gonna pop this guy in here, give it a quick mark. That guy goes yonder way. This guy.
No, that one stays. There's a little horseshoe guy goes on the outer, so that one stays on the inside.
Okay.
That's why.
I think we're a little long. Friend.
Yeah.
Should do it.
That's
Big
mine.
return. First things first. I'm gonna clamp this thing down in the vise. Cut this line off. This little brake line cutting tool. It's got a little razor blade in there. Slowly clamp that down. Cuts through it. Just pop that on there. You made your mark. Squeeze it nice and tight. And start running this thing around. That's it. Now. I need this. Whoop, that's backwards. It's even worse than remembering. So, I got this cool little brake flare line kit. Got a little small guy. I think I remember how to do this. It's been a minute with this tool. This in. Now we take this guy. Ooh, what kind of flare is it? That's a double flare, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now we kind of got a little test run, did little practice ones. Here we go. Looking pretty good. I'm sure our machine is calibrated correctly. All right, and now one of the most common things, right, Jimmy?
Very
Is forgetting this guy.
Leave that off.
Leave that off. Yeah, just,
Flare it, and I'm like, ow!
just go ahead and get rid of that.
Here, let me help you out. All right, buddy.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're gonna do me one solid?
Solid boy.
Yeah. Make sure it's on the right way. Yeah, I've done that plenty of times. You do a little flare and you forget you're fitting on there. Bad news. Then you gotta cut it off and do it again. So now that we have figured out how to properly do this, baby, we'll slide this guy all the way back. That sits in there. And then we put this other piece on top. A little bit of gap.
You should ring the inside of it before you do that.
Quick RJ. How much is it for an RJ? So I got that guy about halfway. Clamp this thing down. Flick this guy over to operation 1, 3/16. So this will give like the little smash, the little balloon action. And you just go. Bust this guy off. Pull this pin, release. There we go, now we get the little mushroom effect. So then, turn these guys around. You the right way, Jimmy? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Operation 2. Smash them up.
OP.
Coming in for the final. Really save the day.
Kill shot.
Kill shot. Engage.
One freshly inverted flared line.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that flare on that thing.
Inverted flare.
Inverted flare. You're inverted. You're an inverted flare. And now, you can take this guy, lacer on up in here. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Snap him into place. G. G. So, every day, these kids ask for stickers. Yeah. You guys want some more stickers?
They're making a video of fixing the
Of the truck, yeah. All right, let's see. Can we fit these through there?
Wait. Where's Chris?
There you go. I'm Chris.
Oh, you're Chris?
Yeah. What's up?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Where's Chris?
That's me, man.
Did you already make a video of fixing the car?
Yeah, we did, but we gotta finish it because we fake fixed it. Or we fake finished it. Now we're fixing it. Oh, cool. All right. Well, have fun, kiddos. Yeah. Literally happens every day. But we'll be just out here, working on the car, open the door. Chris, we have stickers. How many stickers you got, Dylan?
Not enough for those dudes.
Not nearly enough for those dudes.
Literally give them probably 1,000 already.
For real. Well, every day they get about 10 of them, so me and Dylan are really trying to figure out where they go. I think they're wallpapering their rooms with, you know, Dylan's BMW and my little square blocks. Yeah, Dylan's fixing a little leak on the transmission, putting some right stuff on it, and I'm just removing this ratchet that don't go there. We finished up some wiring. We got the fans and everything hooked up. We got all the headlights and stuff hooked up. We got the taillights and everything hooked up. We got the horn hooked up.
Oh yeah.
Danny, give me a horn test.
Are you ready for
Oh, I'm ready for it. Oh, no octave change that time.
it? It cleared itself.
Yeah, the last time. Yeah, when we first hit that thing. So, it's doing better now. It's all cleared out. It's ready for its new owner.